Welcome to Unit 3 at 22 Hamilton Street here in Kilmore. An absolutely beautifully renovated home right in the heart of town. And when I say in the heart of town, 250 metres that way, Kilmore Leisure Centre, 300 metres that way, we've got Kilmore Primary School. This is location perfect. Relax in the light-filled living areas. Or whip up a meal in the functional kitchen. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you're looking for a 2-bedroom unit in Kilmore, this one has got to be on the list.